Hello guys! Today we prepare a typical Italian dish, pasta with tomato sauce. The ingredients are these: 1 beautiful onion, 1 gem of tomato sauce, salt, olive oil, basil and spaghettis. Let's go to prepare together. Hi guys, we go to cut the onion. We got to put the onion in the pot. With a little bit oil. Then we put 1 teaspoon of salt in the bowl. And then we cook at low fire for 5 minutes. We put the sauce into the onion. We put the water in the pot. When the water starts boiling, we put 1 teaspoon of salt in the water. We put spaghetti in the boiled water. Cook pasta for 10 minutes. And then we put some leaves of basil in the sauce. Now the pasta was cooked and we can try the pasta with sauce. Yummy!